Hey YouTube, and I will be unboxing the AVerMedia GC553 Live Gamer Ultra 4K HDR pass-through 4K recording card, video recording card, video capture card is what they call it. My old one finally crapped out. Next gen is coming up. So I wanted something that was future-proof for next gen. So I picked this up. Kind of on the expensive side. $250 including taxes. But well worth it. Because I can play the PS5 on this. And there will be no downgrade in video because of the HDR pass-through. Alright, let me open it up. Let me shit, man. It's not that easy. Okay, here we go. Let me take the plastic off. Alrighty. Plastic is off. Let me open it up. Sorry about this. Alright, AVerMedia. Let me open it up. Whee! That's the capture card. It's not very big. One thing I don't like about this is that there's no button. So if you want to improve your capture cards, your higher ends, put a button on like your cheaper cards to make it easier to record without having to deal with the computer. HDMI cable. Serial code for Power Director 15. Warranty. HDMI cord, which is the new HDMI cable, not the mini, which I don't like, and the quick start guide. So, yeah, that's it. Till next time, YouTube. Take care.